If you're having trouble logging into your Jottacloud account, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot common login problems. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's caching cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Jottacloud's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue you're facing for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Jottacloud. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.